Press and hold. Oh.
It's so big.
One.
Look.
Go.
Sarah, look.
Taimur has been spending time with mommy Kareena and papa Saif in the beautiful hill stations of North India. Recently, when Bebo shared pictures of herself and Taimur taking pottery classes, कुछ लोगों ने उन्हें troll किया था. Reacting to these negative comments, Saif has now said that he sympathizes with these people who must be stuck in small apartments in big cities. While Saif is busy shooting for the film Bhoot Police, Kareena and Taimur are enjoying an extended holiday in the hills. Bebo, who recently finished filming Lal Singh Chadda and her chat show, is enjoying a baby moon with Saif and Taimur in the beautiful locations of Dharamshala and Palampur. Saif has several interesting projects lined up in the next couple of months, and with a new baby on the way as well, it looks like it's going to get busy but super fun for the celebrity couple. Check it out. The only silver lining to the lockdown has been that little Taimur is enjoying lots of quality time with his parents. First at their home in Mumbai and now in the hill stations of India. While they usually spend Christmas each year in their luxury chalet in Gstaad, इस साल वो इंडिया के हिल स्टेशंस में वक्त गुजार रहे हैं. While Papa Saif is out shooting all day, he is back in the evenings to spend time with Taimur and Kareena. Kareena, ever the doting mommy, has been sharing pictures of Taimur enjoying his extended holiday. कभी वो French fries खाते हैं तो कभी अपनी mom के साथ cooking और pottery करते हैं. While people have showered Taimur's pictures with lots of love, there were some trolls who ended up making nasty comments against the tiny tot and his family. Talking about this unnecessary negativity in an interview, Saif ने कहा कि उन्हें ऐसे लोगों से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. The actor said that he is privileged to be able to travel around the country and is lucky that his job takes him to scenic locations around the world. लेकिन हर किसी को ये मौका नहीं मिलता और शायद इसीलिए वो अपनी फ्रस्ट्रेशन स्टार्स पे निकालते हैं. I'm lucky to have an amazing job that brings me to places like these. Not everyone is as lucky, and it can get frustrating being penned in a small apartment in the big city. Knowing that the negativity comes from there, I can be forgiving, said Saif. Saif also expressed gratitude at having his family with him so he doesn't have to come back to an empty hotel room and feel lonely. Saif Ali Khan also talked about his son, Ibrahim Ali Khan's acting debut in Bollywood. The doting father revealed that he wants Ibrahim to have a debut like Hrithik Roshan. He said, like Hrithik Roshan, he should just explode on the screen. On the work front, Saif has many films like Bunty Aur Bubbly 2, Bhoot Police, Adi Purush and a web series called Tandav lined up for release from the end of 2020 all the way into 2021. Add a brand new baby and it looks like the Pataudi household is going to be filled with cheer and excitement in the days to come.